Naniniwala pa kayo sa Attorney Claire Castro na yan?
You know, that is the specific, that is for us the differences that we can point to show that it is in fact independent.
Sir, just a
And is a conjunction fundamental English? Correct.
Incident. Man talaga si Mayor Ben, kagad ako ng isang report. Investigador naman talaga si Mayor Benji.
We will use his talents. Nonetheless, we will use his talents. Tapos binanggit niya yung pagiging investigador niya. Yun yung talent niya. Yun yung gagamitin. Huwag kayong Attorney Claire Castro. Oh my God.
Iba po kasi ang pag-presume at iba naman po yung naging pronouncement ng ating.
Narinig niyo yung pronouncement ng ating Pangulo, ha? Sinungaling talaga yung taong ito.